Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we are going to be gating some vocals. We're going to be gating a sample that really wants to be gated. It's the classic scratch sample. And yeah, one thing I used to do back in the day, if you look up like an Eddie Halliwell video from like way back, he would have this on a CDJ, he would loop it, and then he would have an effects box that would kind of do something similar. It just sounded really cool. And yeah, this scratch sample is, probably heard it a gajillion times. So yeah, let's just do that and just to kind of elongate it. Something we used to do, and then just drop LFOTool onto it. So cool thing about LFOTool is you can resize it, which is very much appreciated. And let's set the rate to, I guess, yeah, half. And then we'll set the snap all the way up at 216. So the cool thing you can do with Serum also is hold the Shift button, and you can draw in steps. So yeah, you just kind of draw something in here. Okay, so we got something like that. And let's take this and double that up, see what that sounds like on the end there. Okay, so that could be like a little tiny fill sort of thing. I'll just color code that. So now, yeah, basically we have a gated effect that sounds pretty cool. You can do it with the volume envelope in Ableton, but like with LFOTool, it's pretty cool because that rhymed. Because you can adjust the phase swing and the smoothness and automate these things as you go. Right, and then you can just play around with that. Just as a basic sort of thing. And yeah, let's duplicate this and let's automate the on off. We'll have them both set to off here. And then I want to like alternate between them. And, it's not, there's no wrong way to go about making music. That one's on, I'll turn this one on, oops, this one on, and then you just draw it in. Right? Just something you can do, and you can, take those out, put those back in. And you can just go to town as if it were. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.